This summer, expanded outdoor dining was a much needed side effect of the pandemic, giving restaurants a chance to serve their customers while diners had the space to feel safe while they were enjoying dinner out. But then the cold weather hits, so the question comes up, how do you handle outdoor dining in winter weather? Today's snow showers may have given us a sneak peek to this. Andrea Flores joins us from Arvada tonight. Andrea, a lot of empty tables in Olde Town.
Karen, that's right. We talked to people walking around Olde Town Arvada earlier today, and they say on any other given night, you'll see people outside soaking up the last bits of summer and outdoor dining. But today, a completely different story. Olde Town looked more like a ghost town, and that has businesses and restaurants concerned.
I think we are all absolutely terrified.
Months after Olde Town Arvada streets closed for outdoor dining, tables are empty during the summer storm.
Having all these patio tables empty are tables that we absolutely need, especially right now. Doing everything we can to make every dollar before it gets cold.
Schoolhouse Kitchen and Libations manager Andrew Busold says today's weather is a preview of the months to come.
I figured it was going to be a little bit of an eye-opener. Cold weather is not so bad with the Colorado sun, but anytime we get precipitation, it's definitely going to have a major impact on business.
Patrons in the area say the COVID-19 climate makes it difficult to visit these restaurants even on nice days.
I want to support local businesses, but it's difficult to spend a lot of money that I don't have.
But businesses like Schoolhouse hope people continue to show their support in any way they can, snow or shine.
This isn't going away anytime soon. To-go orders help. Any kind of business helps. We're just keeping our fingers crossed and hoping that this isn't the new normal.
Now, out of the dozens of restaurants here in Olde Town Arvada, the majority of them do not have any outdoor heaters, tents, or any sort of protection from the elements, something that people we talk to here around town say will be crucial in determining if they will do outdoor dining come the winter months. Reporting live in Arvada, I'm Andrea Flores covering Colorado First.